fasten and carried out of stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Please also be careful when opening the overhead bins as items may have shifted during the flight. At this time, you may use your mobile devices. Before you leave the aircraft, we do ask that you take a look around your seating area, including the seat back pockets, to make sure you have everything you brought on board with you. For those of you making connections here in Salt Lake City, it looks like our arrival gate is set to be A4. Everyone has plenty of time to make their connecting flights this evening. If you're not familiar with the new layout of the Salt Lake Airport, you'll either connect here in the A concourse, so it's just a matter of walking up and down the hall, or if you're connecting over to the B concourse, it's B as in Bravo, what you'll do is you'll walk over to gate A15, A16, where you'll see escalators that go downstairs. You'll walk that tunnel over to the B concourse. It's about approximately a 15-minute walk from here to the end, to the start of the B concourse. If you do have any questions regarding your flight itinerary, ground transportation, or baggage claim, the gate agent who will review this flight will be able to help. On behalf of Delta and the Salt Lake City-based group, thank you once again for sharing your journey with us this evening. We've enjoyed having you on board, and we hope you have a wonderful new year.
Just short of the gate here, waiting for some people to direct us in. Please stay seated with your seatbelts fastened until we get to the gate. Turn on that sign.